We nominated Action for Children because we love partnering with them. As an organisation, they place real value on using apprenticeships to develop their staff. We do the obvious apprenticeships with them, like the residential childcare, the early years, the ones that you would expect. But actually, they are kind of open to all and every opportunity to help develop their staff. So we also do finance, team leading, operations management. So they've really kind of gone outside the box to get the best for their staff. From the get-go, they've got a really thorough nominations process, and that includes line managers' commitment as well as ensuring the learners are committed and they really understand what they're signing up to. Our relationship with Action for Children is brilliant. It's a real pleasure to work with them. You just know that you're working with people and people that care. And Debbie Winning, our main contact, she makes my life as an account manager just so easy. She knows learners by name, she knows their individual journeys through their apprenticeships, and she's always happy to step in and support whenever that's needed, as shown kind of throughout the organisation.
My name is Debbie Winning, and I am the Apprenticeships and Qualifications Officer for Action for Children. I've worked with Action for Children for over 25 years now. My role is predominantly to oversee the delivery of apprenticeships and qualifications to Action for Children staff, and work closely with the suppliers as well. What it means to us to be a finalist, well, we're absolutely delighted to be nominated for Paragon Skills Large Childcare Employer of the Year for the second year running, actually. The competition for the award was really tough last year, as Paragon Skills worked with a wide range of exceptional organisations. So we're just keeping our fingers crossed this year. In 2022, Action for Children achieved a DFE Top 100 Apprenticeship Employer Award. This award celebrates England's outstanding apprenticeship employers, recognising their commitment to creating new apprenticeships, the diversity of their apprentices, and the number of apprentices who have successfully achieved. So this achievement is partially due to the support we've received from Paragon Skills. So thank you.
We're proud to nominate Heaton Park View, as their unwavering support for learners within the setting sets them apart. Recently recognised with an outstanding rating by Ofsted, Heaton Park View excels in providing exceptional care to children. This achievement has had a profound effect on the learners, fostering newfound confidence in their work and practice. Witnessing their growth has been truly inspiring. The manager at Heaton Park View goes above and beyond, prioritising the well-being of all care providers. Their dedication extends to providing unwavering support for training and any additional support required. Heaton Park View sets a shining example of a childcare provider that values and supports both learners and care providers. Their commitment to excellence and nurturing environment ensures that children receive the best possible care.
My name's Siobhan and I'm the nursery manager at Heaton Park View Nursery. I've worked here for 6 years. We are a chain of nurseries, 7 of us within the group, Prosperity Childcare. I feel extremely humbled to be in the finals of the Paragon Skills Apprenticeship Awards. To be acknowledged for the strong partnerships I've built with Paragon Skills over the years is an honour. All the hard work we have committed together in creating outstanding apprentices is just unbelievable. To win the award would be one of the biggest achievements in my career, alongside achieving Ofsted Outstanding, which, may I add, I accomplished with a team of 8 active learners on apprenticeships through Paragon Skills. I am very grateful to have got this far, and if I was to go the full way, I'd be incredibly proud.